In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a monthly calendar view in Notion to manage your tasks, events, and deadlines. To get started, open the Notion page where your calendar database is located. This is the workspace where your items are stored, and it's the foundation for everything you'll see in the calendar. Before moving on, make sure that your database includes a date property. This is important because the calendar view in Notion relies on date information to place each item on the correct day. If your entries don't have a date assigned, they won't appear properly in the calendar. So it's worth quickly checking that this part is already set up. Once you've confirmed that, switch your database view to calendar view. If you already have multiple views in the same database, simply select the calendar option. If not, create or change the view so your information is displayed as a calendar instead of a table, board, or list. This visual layout makes it much easier to understand your schedule at a glance, especially when you're planning over several weeks. After that, use the calendar controls to view the current month. Notion gives you simple navigation tools so you can focus on the month you want to work in. For this tutorial, bring the calendar to the current month so you can see your present schedule clearly. This monthly layout is especially useful because it gives you a broader perspective than a daily or weekly view, helping you spot busy periods, upcoming deadlines, and open space in your schedule. If you only want to focus on items from a specific month, you can add filters. This can be very helpful if your database contains entries from many different time periods and you want to reduce distractions. Applying a filter allows you to narrow the view so you're only seeing the items that are relevant to the month you're working on. If the calendar feels too crowded, hide extra properties that you don't need to see right away. Too much information on each calendar card can make the layout harder to read, so simplifying the display can make a big difference. Keeping only the most useful details visible helps the calendar stay clean and easy to scan. Once everything is set up, use the monthly calendar view to manage your tasks, events, or deadlines. This is where the calendar becomes especially practical because you can organize your workload visually and keep track of what needs attention throughout the month. With a clear monthly overview, planning becomes simpler and your schedule becomes much easier to manage.